What's up, guys? It's Connor Minix and my grandma Connie, and today we're going to be making some pumpkin muffins.
Well, hi everyone. This recipe you could do if you want to make bread or I don't know, bread or muffins. You could even make donuts. It's real easy to make, or you can make it in a bundt pan too, like just make one big cake. But today we're going to be using these little bundt pans. We've got 12 of these, or not 12 pans, but 2 pans of 6. So anyway, that way it doesn't take as long to bake, and you've already got them individualized.
We're about to get started in a few minutes, but before we start, make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below, and also click the bell so you will get notifications every time we upload a new video.
This is our kickoff to our fall recipes that'll be coming up. We'll have another one coming up in a week or so.
And Halloween recipes too.
Oh yeah, fall and Halloween. So, all right, so let's get started. Okay, we preheat the oven to 350. And then we'll go mix up our cake. Okay, so we're gonna start with 3 cups of sugar. So this recipe will make 2 of the little mini bundt pan cakes. 2 pans, which is 12 eaches. And like I said before, you could make them in regular muffin pans or bread pans. And you can win that pumpkin bread. Just go to our Facebook page. And the page is called Connor Minix YouTube, and there's a link in the description to like and share. And you get 1 entry, and if you subscribe, you get a 2nd entry to win 1 bag of Hudson Creek flour and 1 loaf of pumpkin bread. Next, we're going to add the 4 eggs. Mix that a little. If you like pumpkin recipes like this, be sure to leave a like on the video. Now I'm adding a can of pumpkin. Okay, got 2/3 cup of water. Now we're ready for the dry ingredients. Then we want to add a teaspoon of cinnamon. I usually add a little extra. I like a lot of cinnamon. And we're doing a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Get it? Teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of ground allspice. 2 teaspoons of soda. Teaspoon of baking powder. Yeah, about a teaspoon. Okay. So we've got everything in there except we need 3½ cups of flour, all-purpose flour. 1, 2. I'm gonna stir it before I add this 3rd cup. Okay, so we got our 3rd cup. Okay. If you wanted to add nuts to this, you could. Either chopped pecans or walnuts would be good in it. So we are ready to get it in our pans so they won't stick. Almost out. I gotta get some. Okay. So then I'm going to fill them about 2/3 of the way up. All right, and then I like to sprinkle them with cinnamon and sugar before I bake them. So we just put that generously on top. It smells like fall in here, doesn't it? Okay, then we'll spray this pan. We can get them in at the same time. Okay, then we're gonna get them in the oven and they fit. Perfect. And we'll time them 20 minutes and then we'll check them. Okay, the timer just went off. So I'm going to check them with the toothpick and see if they got done. Look like they might need to bake a little bit longer. I'll put them on for 5 more minutes. We'll check them again. Okay, we got them out, just got them out of the oven, so it took 25 minutes. I checked them with the toothpick and it came out clean. And then we need to leave them set for 10 minutes and then we'll get them out of the pan. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes, so we're gonna get them out, turn them over. Aren't they cute? We'll get the other 6 and we'll be back to try them.
Okay guys, we're back. We have our little pumpkin muffins. They look really good, don't they? They turned out well, and
yeah, we got some pumpkin cream cheese here. We're gonna try with them. And also just cream cheese and sugar together is good on them. Or just butter is good when they're warm. So I took my apron off so everybody could see my shirt, but I'm wearing this in support for my niece, Leanne. I just want her to know that we love and support her, and our prayers are with her while she goes through this journey. We put a little bit of pumpkin pie spice on top just to make it look good.
Are you ready to try it?
Yep, let's do it.
Okay.
You like it?
It's really good. We're also making some pumpkin bread that's a lot like these. And as my grandma said earlier, we're giving it away on Facebook. So there's a link in the description to our Facebook page if you want to enter that giveaway.
In our next video, maybe we'll do a spooky Halloween video.
Okay guys, that's the end of our pumpkin muffin video. Thank you guys for watching. If you make it, let us know because we'd like to see your pictures. And also make sure you check out our links below. We have some of the pans that my grandma uses a lot for sale, and you can buy them. We also have Hudson cream flour for sale. We have a giveaway on Facebook you can enter. So make sure you check out all the links down there, and make sure that you're subscribed so you can see our next video. And we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Bye.
What?
I had a crazy smile.
Today we're going to be making some pumpkin bread.
Why did I start laughing?
Oh, I have to say pumpkin muffins. Don't
One, we're gonna be making, I think Connor already told you. Subscribe, you get a second entry to win 1 bag of Hudson cream flour and 1 loaf of pumpkin bread.
You just like suddenly just wouldn't stop talking. I'm like, wow.
I usually add a little extra. I like a lot of cinnamon. I think it's good for your diabetes. I just mean, it's just an oxymoron. Because it's like, it's good, the cinnamon's good for you, but the sugar's not. To this you could